The first thing you say, Ahambo, you say your name. When you say your name, and then you say, Enwerem ajuju, meaning I have a question. I have a question, okay? That's what you say. My name is, and then you say your name. Ahambo, aha means a name. Enwerem means I have. Enwerem, I have. Ajuju means question. Ajuju is question. And then you say, my question is, meaning ajujum bo means is. You say ajujum bo. My question is, and then you say what it is. Then I'll give you a chance to ask question in English because you're still learning. Okay? Ahambo. My name is. Enwerem ajuju. And I want you to say it fluently. If you don't say it fluently, I will know that you didn't even go over it. You didn't even practice to know how to say it. So you have to learn everything. So I'm expecting you to know all of them, not just some of them. Now, ajujumbo, my question is, then say it. Now, if I ask you a question and if you don't know it, I want you to say, Amagem ya, I don't know it. Amagem, I don't, okay? Amagem ya, I don't know, okay? Amagem is I don't know. Ya, the Y-A, ya is it. That's the pronoun, it. Amagem ya, I don't know it. That ya means it. Okay. Now, if we are talking about them, if you say amagem ha, I don't know them. Ha, H-A means them. Amagem ha, but in this case, we are talking about it. Amagem ya, if your mom asks a question, or your dad asks a question, your friends, your siblings, and you don't know what they're asking, I say, amagem ya means I don't know it. I don't know the answer. Okay? Amagem ya. If you know it, you say, amam ya. Amam, I know it. Amam ya. So let me put it here. Amam ya means I know it. So amagem ya means I don't know it. Now, if you want to say amam ya, I know it. Amam ya, why is it champion? Okay. Amam ya, amam ya, it means I know it. I know it. Amam ya. When I say this, I want you to sound it yourself, okay? Because I want you to, be able to say the word. So I'm going to mute everybody. That way you will not disturb anybody in the class. So make sure you're sounding it yourself too, okay? Amam ya. Amagem ya. I don't know it. Now, if I say kedu ka email, and also I want you to learn to ask another person the same question. It's not you knowing how to respond, but you should learn to say it too. Okay? You woke up in the morning, say to your mommy or dad, kedu ka email, or your dad will say to you, kedu ka email, or your siblings. You can also say the same thing. You can say kedu. Kedu is a short form of kedu ka email. Kedu ka email. Kedu ka is ke. Kedu ka email means how are you? If I also say kedu, is the short form of kedu ka email. It means, and your answer should be adem, not all them ma, or is another person. Or the ma is when I ask you about your day, about you, whatever you're doing, about any object or subject. But direct question to you. Keduka email. How are you? Your answer should be that I represents you. At the moment, I am fine. At the moment. If you're not fine, you say, adegem ma. Adegem, that's negative. Adegem ma. Adegem ma. I am not fine. And if you're fine, you will say, Adem ma. Adem ma. Right? Now, again, let me revise again. Amagem ya. I don't know it. Amagem ya. I don't know it. Amam ya. I know it. Amam ya. Amam ya. I know it. Kedu ka email? How are you? Marble. If I say kedu, it means how are you? They are the same thing. Some people, when I say kedu, the mama. When I say kedu ka email, they get lost. Don't get lost. Do not get lost. When I kedu ka email, they just got lost. Now, they are the same thing. How are you? Okay? Now, Adam, I am fine. I am well. I am okay. Adam means I'm okay. I am fine. I am well. They mean the same thing. All of them. Now, adegem mma. Adegem mma. Adegem mma means I am not fine. I am not well. I am not okay. Okay? That's what it is. Now, when I say the word papa, mama means your dad. Okay, when I say papa, mama, nna. The first N, you close your mouth to sound it. Nna. Okay, papa means father. All right, or dad. Your father or dad. That's what it is. Your father or your dad. Now, mother, which is mama. You can say mama. You can say nne. Nne. When you have double N, you say n. The first N, you close your mouth to sound it. Nne. The first M, mama, mama. Okay? Now, nna, nne, nna, nne. Nne means mom. Mama is the central. So that's the common one everybody use. Papa is also central. Okay? Mother or mom. Now, when you say papam, papam means my, that M there is possessive. It means my dad. When you say papam, you say papam or nam, it means my father. When you say mamam or you say nem, it means my mother. Okay, my mother. Now, when I say kedu ka papa ge mere, or I can also say kedu ma ka papa ge. I don't have to say kedu ka papa ge mere. I can say kedu ma ka papa ge. They mean the sentence. It means how is your dad? When I say kedu ma ka papa ge, kedu ma ka papa ge. It means, how is your dad? How is your dad? It is the sentence as kedu ka papa gi mere. Again, when I say kedu maka mama ge, it is the sentence when I say kedu ka mama gị mere. All right? I don't have to say all the time, kedu ka mama gị mere. I can say, kedu maka mama gị. They mean the same thing. It means, how is your mom? Even if I say, kedu ka mama gị mere, it's also, how is your mom? If I say, kedu maka mama gị, it means, how is your mom? So don't get lost. Kedu ka papa, kedu maka papa gị? How is your dad? Okay? Kedu ka mama gị mere? How is your dad? That's when you tell me, Papam dị mma. My dad is fine. If you want to say, my dad is not fine, Papam adịghị mma. Papam adịghị mma. It means my dad is not well. My dad is not well. My dad is not fine. My dad is not okay. Okay? So I need you to know how to say this. Kedu ka mama gị melụ? Okay? Mamam dị mma. Now, I want you to say, mamam or papam. Papam dị mma. My dad is fine. Okay. Mamam adịghị mma. Or you can say, nnem. It is the sentence as mama. Nnem. Nnem. Nnem adịghị mma. You can say, nnem adịghị mma. Ta. Ta maọbụ tata. Ta means today. Okay? Ta means what? Today. Nnem adịghị mma. Ta. Nnem adịghị mma. Let me put ta so you know. Ta. You can say ta. You can say tata. Use one of them. When I put a slash, it means or. So it means this or that. Don't use two of them. Tata means today. Okay? So when I say, kedu ka mama gị mere tata? Then say, mamam adịghị mma tata. You can say ta. You don't have to say tata, okay? If your dialect is tata, use tata. If your dialect is ta, use ta. You can use any of them in but at least know it. So if you hear somebody say any of them, you know either way, it is the same thing. Okay? I don't want you to hear ta and you'll be like, oh, ta is not tata. No two of them. So when I say kedu ka ị mere, kedu ka ị mere taa? Okay, this A is you. How are you today? Kedu ka ị mere taa? How are you today? How are you today? Means, how are you today? Kedu ka ị mere taa? Okay, I put today. Okay, kedu ka ị mere taa? Then you say, adịghị m mma. You can say, adịghị m mma taa. Or you can say, adị m mma. You can say, adịghị m mma taa. I am not fine today. I am not fine. Or I am not well. Or I am not okay. They all mean the same thing. I am not fine today. Okay. Now, all the ma. Instead of you responding back to me, mamam, the ma, you can use the pronoun. She is fine. He is fine. It is fine. So instead of using the name, the noun, instead of using mamam, papam, adegema, you say all the ma, or the O with a dot. Remember, I sent the alphabet recording for you to listen to. You need to learn how to sound them. If you don't have it, send me a text, then I will send it again. Or I will go ahead and send it to the forum again. All the ma. Ọ dịghị mma. Ọ dị mma in a positive way. Ọ dịghị mma in a negative way. Okay? Play with all this. You don't have to say it at the right time. Just play with it. Get used to it. You don't have to wait until the right time. Play with this. That's how you get used to it. How is your day? Kedu ka ụbọchị gị mere? Now, ụbọchị means day. Now, when I say ụbọchị, ụbọchị means your day. Day. Ụbọchị means day. Now, when I say kedu ka ụbọchị gị mere? How is your day? My day is going well. My day is okay. Okay, so we're going to say, ụbọchị m dị mma. See, ụbọchị m, my day, dị mma. Okay? It means my day is okay. Let's say, my day is okay. You don't have to say my day is fine all the time. My day is okay. Now, my day is not going well. Let's say, ụbọchị m anaghị aga ọfụma. Ụbọchị m anaghị aga nke ọma. Some people will say nke ọma. Ụbọchị m anaghị aga nke ọma. Anaghị aga. It's not going well. Ụbọchị m anaghị aga nke ọma. Ụfọdụ ga-asị ọfụma. Okay? Now, if your day is going well, you say, ụbọchị m na-aga nke ọma. Now, when you can do this, na-aga nke ọma. Ụbọchị m na-aga nke ọma. Ma ụbọchị m na-aga ọfụma. It is the same thing. Ọfụma. All right? So we stop the phrases today. Now, the greetings. Ekele. Some people say ekene. So, ekene dịrị Chukwu is somebody's name, right? Thank God. You're thanking God. It's giving greetings, giving praises to God. Thank God. Somebody's name is Ekene. Ekene is the short form of it. Ekene dịrị Chukwu. Okay, so that's what it is. Greeting means ekele or ekene. Now, hi, hello, ndewo. When you see somebody, when you see your friend, instead of saying hi, ndewo. See, it means hi. That's for one person. But for plural, okay, for two people, group of people, ndewo no. Right? That's plural. You have to add no. Ndewo no. You need to pay attention because you need to know all this. And next 2 weeks, we're going to start with a quiz. You need to know all this. Ndewo no. Okay, that's for plural. Now, good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Good evening. Mgbede. You see how I close my mouth? Mgbede ọma. You get up in the morning. Greet everybody in the house. Whether they are your junior or your senior or your parents. You get up. Ụtụtụ ọma. Greet everybody, even if it's your cat. Say good morning to your cat. Ụtụtụ ọma. Use it to practice. Even if you have a dog. Ụtụtụ ọma. You see that? Use it to say something. Even say ụtụtụ ọma to yourself. Hey, Ebuka, ụtụtụ ọma. Oh, Chukwudi, ụtụtụ ọma. Just say that. You need to learn all this. You come back from school. You go out in the backyard, you play, you come inside. Hey, ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma. Say it to yourself. Learn. Mgbede ọma in the evening. Now, at night, you see somebody at night, let's say from 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 10 p.m., 9 p.m. Anyasi ọma. When you see somebody passing, that's the greeting. Anyasi ọma. So let me put it here. But then there's another greeting. Okay? Good night. That's the greeting one, okay? Greeting, okay? This is not, there are two ways of saying this. But this is when you're greeting somebody. Okay, then this is Anyase Oma. Oh, come on, why are you doing that? Anyase Oma. This is the greeting one, okay? Anyase Oma. Now, if you're greeting group of people, Anyase Oma no. But for one person, Anyase Oma to be more friendly, polite, okay? More polite. Anyase Oma, not that Anyase Oma is not a bad. If you want to be more friendly, Anyase Oma, but for group of people or two people. Anyase Oma, no. Now, when if somebody is in your house, I visited you and I'm about to leave, or you visited me and you're about to leave. So it's different. Okay. That's another great thing. Wait a minute. That one, I think I have a good night when you're saying good night. So I'm gonna get it up here. Now, when somebody steps into your house, the first thing you say, instead of saying welcome, no, right? You say no to that person. When I'm leaving, the greeting you say to me is different, right? So when I come to your house, you say no instead of welcome. When anybody from your household is back, you say no. If you have more than one, let's say daddy and mama back at the same time, your siblings, two of them came back at the same time. No. Always remember that no. And you has to do with, it has to do with plural. When you're saying it to more than one person. No. You say that they won. Kenesiano. You see that? So you need to know this. Don't just go one way. Apply this because you know what to say when it's plural. Hi, ndewo. Then more than one person. Ndewo no. That no. All the greetings are like that. If it's in the morning, otutu oma no. If it's one person, otutu oma. If it's in the afternoon, instead of saying ehihi oma to one person, okay? But two people, group of people, ehihi oma no. Because I'm going to ask you this question. Don't forget. Now, good night. When you see me at night or at your house or anywhere, you say to me, good night, anyasi oma. And also greeting when I'm leaving your house. Let's say, hey, I visited you. You cooked for me. We ate a egusi soup. We ate jollof rice. We ate my. And then, oh, it's about time for me to go. I may be the one to say, Tachi phone to you and your house, people in your house. Okay. Or all of you will say to me, Kachi phone. You see, all of you are saying it to me, one person. But or maybe you, let's say Chiweta will say, Auntie Kachifo. And then I will say to Chiwetalo and Chiwetalo's family, Kobonu, because I said it to all of them. But if I'm saying it to Chiwetal alone, I will say to Chiwetal, Kobo, because he said it to me. Now I'm replying to him and say Kobo. But if I want to change it, if Chiwetal family, if they are behind him, I will say, Kobo no onyobola. I can say it to everybody. I can say Kobo no onyobola. Onyobola means everyone or everybody. Onyobola. Onye obola. Onye obola means everyone, everybody. Okay? I'm gonna put it on your phrases. Onye obola means everyone. Onye obola. Onye obola means everyone. Everyone or everybody. So everyone or everybody. Okay, don't forget this. Onye ọbụla, everyone. Sometimes when I send, you would see in the forum when I send a message, when I send you a message, I say, Ndewonu onye ọbụla, or I say, Daalụnụ onye ọbụla. It means, or maybe I say greeting. Ụtụtụ ọma onye ọbụla means good morning to everyone. Okay. If I say Ndewonu, it means to everyone. Okay. All right. So now, when you say good night to me, Anyasioma, that's a greeting in the past. Or maybe when I come to your house, I stepped in. You say, Anyasioma, auntie. I say, Anyasioma. I will say the same thing back. Okay. Now, but when you are leaving the house, that's when you say, Kachifo. So you can even, this is the other good night, Kachifo. Then, may the night done well. That's what it is. And I will say, likewise, Togo. It means likewise. That's what it is. It's just echoing back the sentence instead of you say Kachifo again. You say likewise. So this, come on, what is that? It's going to be Kobo means likewise. May you done well, okay? So it means likewise. So that's what it is. Now, there's something else. Some of the questions some of the students ask. I ate food. This is past tense. Means I ate food. Aga me rinri. Okay, but let me leave this one for now because I want you to learn what we just did. What we just did. So when I call your name and I'm going to ask you a question, and you tell me, let me see if you're going to be able to answer the question. All right. So I'm going to stop sharing for now. Let's have fun. Let's have fun, everybody, right? We're going to have fun. Let's have fun. All right. Let me call somebody. Just do your best. Don't shy away. Andrew Moha. So right now I'm going to unmute everybody. I don't want any noise. Please, 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 please. Because some people, when I say unmute, they struggle to unmute. So right now I unmuted everybody. No noise. Oh no, please. I say, Andrew, now unmute yourself. Andrew, how do you say so Andrew, I'm going to ask you a question in Igbo. Andrew, kedu ka papa gi mere tata? I want you to tell me, my dad is not okay today. Andrew, kedu ka papa gi mere tata?
Papam Digi? Papam Digi.
You're missing a letter.
Papam Digi.
Papam adege.
Papa Adigi.
Now, papam, don't cut it short. Papam adege, right?
Papam Adigi.
What is the other word? I didn't complete it for you.
Papa Adigi ta or merita?
No. Andrew, how do you tell me? If I say Andrew, kedu ka meretata? What will you say? What will you say?
So Adigim merita?
Adigim mma ta. Adigim mma is okay. I told you okay, fine, well, okay. So now you telling me papam adigim mma ta or ta. So that's what you're supposed to tell me. Now, Andrew, before you ask a question in class, I want you to tell me how you start. Say your name, and then tell me you have a question, and then say my question is enable. Go ahead.
Ahambu Andrew Wuha. Enwem Ajuju. Ajunjumbo the question.
Okay, there you go. Andrew, I need you to say it fluently and then say it loud because I want everybody to hear you. Go ahead.
Ahambu Andrew Wuha. Enrem Ajuju.
Now that don't shove it up. Enwerem. I want you to sound it that way.
Enwerem ajụjụ mbụ.
Daalụ Andrew, daalụ. Na Amarachi nze iwu. Amarachi ọkwa ị nọ ebe a? Amarachi ọnwụ na ị nọ ebe a sị m anọ m ebe a. Yes, I am here.
Anọ m mma.
Anọ m ebe a.
Anọ m ebe a.
Daalụ. Na Amarachi, how do you say hi to a group of people?
Ndewo.
No,
Ndewo.
That's for singular, one person. How do you say it to more than one person?
Ndewo no.
There you go. Ndewo. Now, if you're saying good morning to two people, how will you say it?
Ụtụtụ
ọma nụ.
Ụtụtụ ọma nụ.
There you go. That's when you're saying it to a group of people. When you're saying it to one person, now Amarachi, Brian Tabo, when you're saying good afternoon to one person, how do you say it?
Ehihie ọma.
Ehihie ọma, daalụ. Orajimeto, when you're saying good evening to more than one person, how do you say it, Orajimeto? Orajimeto, when you're saying good evening to two people and above, how do you say it? Chidubem Natopenna.
Could you repeat that?
No playing. Chidubem, somebody is playing with you. Chidubem, I don't want anybody playing with you. Tell the person you are in the class right now. Okay? Oh, is that our mommy? Mommy, muna ge ga logo. Ubua, hashaya ka ubua. Chidubem, get ready for your question. I'm coming. Orajimeto, how do you say good evening to more than two people? Orajimeto neba.
Anam eba.
Okay, how do you say good evening to more than two people?
Bede oma.
I remember more than two people is plural, right? How do you say it? Mbedoma is for saying it to one person.
Mbede omanu.
There you go. Chidubem. How do you say when I'm leaving your house, Chidubem, what do you tell me when I'm leaving your house at night?
I see your ma.
No, Chidubem, I said the one when I'm leaving at night. What is the other greeting you say? Kachifo. And what will you say? What will you respond back if I say Kachifo to you?
Kobo.
If you're saying it to the whole family, what will you say?
Kobono.
Dalo, Chidubem. Now sit still. I don't want anybody confusing you now. If I see anybody behind you, tell that person, Auntie, that person will be in trouble, okay? Now sit still. I want to look at you. And don't close your video. Kisum, Ngozi Nibo. Kedu ka mama gi mere tata? What will you respond to me?
Mamam de mama ta.
Mamam de mma, not mamam de mma. When you say mamam de mma, it means my mom is good to me. Okay? So, but mamam de mma. Okay. I want you to use plural. No, I want you to use the pronoun. Kedu ka papa gi mere? NS. Use the pronoun. NS. Kedu ka papa gi mere? Don't use papa and them. I need you to use that pronoun to represent it.
Odemma.
or the madalo. And how do you say, I have a question?
Enwere m ajụjụ.
How do you say, my question is?
Ajụjụ mbụ.
Ndewo. How do you say, what is your name?
Kedu no.
How do you say, what is your name?
Kedu ka amaghị m ya.
That's good. At least you said something. Tobenna, how do you say, I know it? Tobenna, how do you say, I know it? Tobenna, on eba and chitubem.
Yeah.
Tobenna, how do you say, I know it? Tobenna, you will be in trouble. You and I will have something to talk about. Esther, how do you say, I am not fine? Esther, how do you say, I am not fine?
Adịghị m mma.
How do you say, my dad is okay? Esther, how do you say, my dad is okay?
Papa dị mma.
Kwuo ọzọ means say it again.
Papa dị mma.
Papa m dị mma, daalụ. Chisom Ezugo, how do you say, how is your dad? Chisom Ezugo, how do you say, how is your dad?
Kedu papa gị?
Ọzọ, kwuo ya ọzọ.
Kedu papa gị?
No. How is your dad? Kedu ka papa gị mere? Can you say that?
Kedu ka papa gị mere?
Good, daalụ. Isabella, how do you say, I am not fine today? Isabella, I am not fine today.
Adịghị mmata.
Adịghị m mma tata. How do you say good afternoon?
Ehihie ọma.
How do you say good evening?
Mgbede ọma.
Hello, Arinze. Arinze, how do you say, he is not fine? Arinze, how do you say he is not fine? Arinze, you're close to somebody. Arinze, how do you say, I am not fine?
Amaghị m ya.
Emagaya, Arinze, you'll be in trouble, trust me. Chinua Ohaya, Chinua, how do you say, my day is okay?
Amaghị m ya.
Chisom Akosobi, how do you say, come here?
Ya.
Chisom, how do you say, the greeting, good night? What is it? Chisom, the greeting, good night.
Amaghị m ya.
Oh my God. Chima Okafo, Chima, how do you say, everybody? Chima, everybody. Obi, how do you say everybody? Chisomezugo, how do you say hello? One person. Chisomezugo.
Kedu?
Chisomezugo, how do you say hello? That's not Kedo.
Ndewo.
How do you say it to more than one person?
Ndewo no.
Chisomezugo, how do you say what is your name?
Kedu afa gị?
How do you say, how are you doing today? How do you say, how are you doing today?
Kedu mere?
And then how about today? You didn't add today.
Oh, KDK Miller.
What is today? Today is Tata. Okay, Emmanuel. Emmanuel, how do you say my dad? Emmanuel, unmute yourself. How do you say my dad?
Papam.
What is the other name for dad? For Papa? What is that? What is the other name for dad?
Na.
Nah. Okay, how do you say my dad is not doing well?
Papa Martin.
Oh, yeah, so say it again. Say it again.
Papa Martin Digma.
Papam adegema. Can you say that?
Papa Adigma.
Papam adegema.
Papam Adigma.
Daalụ. Ọfọ bụ ike. Ọfọ bụ ike.
Yes.
How do you say good morning?
Ụtụtụ ọma.
How do you say good afternoon?
Ehihie ọma.
How do you say good night?
Abalị ọma.
Abanioma, well, that's good. You either say Abanioma or Anyasioma. Now, if I come to your house and when I'm leaving, what will you tell me?
Ndewo.
No, like when I'm leaving from your house, and okay, if I say Kachifo, what will you say to me back? When I say Ofobike Kachifo, is your name Ofobike?
No.
Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Now tell me your name in Igbo.
Aha m bụ Kenechukwu Ewelukwa.
Daalụ, aha m bụ Kenechukwu. 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 Ụtụtụ ọma. When I say ụtụtụ ọma, what will you say back to me? What will you say back to me? I want you to say ụtụtụ ọma back to me.
Okay.
Kenechukwu ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Okay. Now, if you're saying ụtụtụ ọma to two people, how will you say it?
Tutu ọmanụ.
Daalụ, that's good. Okay. Chukwuemeka. Chukwuemeka, how do you say? How is your dad? Chukwuemeka, how do you say, how is your dad?
Aha bụ Chukwuemeka Ọhagụ.
Chukwuemeka, how do you say, how is your dad?
Oh.
How do you say, how is your dad? Chiwetalu. Chiwetalu, what is everyone? Gịnị bụ everyone? Chiwetalu, ọ nọ ebe a? Chiwetalu. Okay, gịnị bụ everyone? Gịnị bụ everyone?
Speak. Wants to hear from you. Speak.
Ona ọbụla.
Onye ọbụla, yes. Can you say onye ọbụla?
Onye ọbụla.
Chinwetalụ, gịnị bụ aha gị? How do you respond when I say gịnị bụ aha gị? Amaghị ya, okay. Nkemdilichukwu, gịnị bụ aha gị? Kemdilichukwu, gịnị bụ aha gị? Because I see you, you've been playing and playing. Kemdilichukwu, gịnị bụ aha gị? Unmute yourself. Gịnị bụ aha gị?
humble.
Say your name.
Enjoy.
Kemdirichukwu, put the pen down. Gịnị bụ aha gị? Put the pen down. You keep playing. Put it down. Gịnị bụ aha gị?
What's your name? What's your name?
Yes, so say it in Igbo.
Say it in Igbo. Gịnị bụ aha gị? No, you need to tell me your name. Soluchi. Soluchi, gịnị bụ aha gị? Tell me your name in Igbo. Aha m bụ Soluchi. Can you say that?
Humble Soluchi.
Daalụ. Let me see. I haven't called some people. Ngozi, Nibo. Ngozi, how do you say welcome?
No.
No. How do you say my day is not going well?
Buchim
Ụbọchị
adịghị mma.
ụbọchị m adịghị mma, ụbọchị m anaghị aga ofuma. How do you say good night? What is it?
Anyasị ọma.
And what do you tell me when I'm leaving your house?
Kachifo.
Kabo. And how do you say hello to multiple people?
Ndewono.
And how do you say ụtụtụ ọma to everyone?
Ụtụtụ ọma no.
How do you say, let me see, how do you say, what is your name?
Clipchamp.
Gịnị bụ afa gị? Daalụ. Kene na Adaeze. Kene, kedu ka email? Kedu ka email? Kene, kedu ka email? Adaeze, kedu ka email?
Yes, sir. Can you answer?
Where's Adaeze? Is Adaeze there?
Yeah.
Adaeze, kedu?
Just answer.
Adama.
Ademumma. Aha. That's what I'm looking for. Ademumma. Chiamaka Ohagu. Chiamaka, how do you say what is your name?
What is your
Chiamaka,
name?
how do you say what is your name?
Genibu Afagi.
How do you say my name is?
Ahambo Chiamaka Ohagu.
Dalo. Christiana. Whose name is there? That's not Christiana. So who came in as Christiana?
Uchenna.
Uchenna, kedu ka email?
Ademma, keke email.
Adekwa mumma, kedu ka mama email?
Ademma.
I want you to tell me my mom is not fine. Uchenna, I need you to tell me my mom is not fine.
Mama Ademma.
Mamam adege. Can you say mamam adege ma?
Mamam Adegema.
Okay. How do you say how is your day?
Kekwan.
Yeah, go ahead. How do you say how is your day?
Kekwan.
Kedu ka ụbọchị gị dị?
Kedu ka ụbọchị gị dị?
Ụbọchị m dị mma. Kedụkwanụ ka ụbọchị gị dị?
Ọ dị mma.
I want you to use the day. Put that day. Kedụkwanụ ka ụbọchị gị dị?
Ụbọchị gị dị mma.
Ụbọchị m dị mma. Can you say, I need to see your video. Ụbọchị m dị mma.
Ụbọchị m dị mma.
Okay, Uchenna, kedu ebe papa gị nọ?
Ọ n'ụlọ.
Okay, papa m n'ụlọ. Kedu ihe ị ga-eme ma ị mesịa klaasị taa?
M ga-eje rahụ ụra.
Ị ga-aga rahụ ụra. Ịrahụcha ụra, kedu ihe ị ga-eme?
M ga-eje saa eze m.
Daalụ. Na Uchenna, achọrọ m ka ị gwa mama gị, achọrọ m ka unu kpọọ m. I'm going to move you to intermediate class. You'll be moving to intermediate class. So I need you and your mom to call me. Call me around 1:15 p.m. this afternoon. After this class, okay? I need to do more assessment. I need to interview to do oral assessment more. And then I will be moving you to intermediate class because you're doing very well. Good job. On one neg neighbor. Kedu aha ya?
Ofu bụ Chidoba, nke ọzọ bụ Okechukwu.
There you go. I'm proud of you, Uchenna. Now, I'm going to interview 3 of you, but you're doing very well, okay? I need you to call me, but Mama go no nulo. Achọrọ m unu kpọọ m ga-eme unu interview ka mụ na unu kwuo, okay? This afternoon, after this class, call me on WhatsApp, okay?
Okay.
On video WhatsApp. All right, so now everybody see how Uchenna was responding to me. That's what I'm looking for. So your job is to go over all the class notes today. After class today, tonight, I'm going to post the class note. Learn all of them, listen to this recording, and then the next 2 weeks after 4th of July, I want you to have fun though, but I want you to learn everything we did today. Onwonye nwere ajụjụ? Onwonye nwere ajụjụ?
Yeah, they did not call you. Still, I didn't.
Oluchi nọ nso, gịnị bụ ajụjụ gị?
Aha m bụ Oluchi Madu. I nwere m ajụjụ.
Gịnị bụ ajụjụ gị?
Ajụjụ m bụ, does Kachifo mean the night done well?
Yes, it means may the night done well. And when you say Kabo, you're saying likewise. That's what it is. Like when I say KMSL means see you next time. And then you can say cordial. Cordial is also likewise. Okay?
Dalu.
Email. Zikoro code.
You didn't call me for the questions.
Oh, okay. I'll call you next time, okay? Now, what do you say before you ask question? I want you to tell me how to say that. You tell me your name. I have a question. My question is.
Right,
you're supposed to know that.
Ahambo Zikora Okoye.
What is the next one?
Ajujumbo.
Okay. So, Zikora, when you say, I need you to learn how to say that. Now, I'm asking you a question now.
Ahambo Zikora Okoye.
Kedu ka mama gị mere? Now, Ifeoma, you are the one to blame. I need you to print this class note out. I need Zikora to go over with all this. Remember, just like the same class, they go to school and we have to be there with them for homework. But some of them, they still don't have the skill. Yes, they can read, but they need to, somebody to help them to know them. Okay, so I need you to work with her, please. Okay, that I know you're doing a good job, but I need you to work with her. I need her to learn them. Okay. Zikora, don't worry. It means I'm going to fight your mommy if she doesn't teach you. Okay. Okay, Zikora. All right, good job. Now, if you have a question, text me. If you don't have a phone, tell mommy, hey, I want to talk to auntie. And then send me a message, or you can record it and send to me. All right. I want to hear everybody say, see you next time. How do you say that? How do we say see you next time? Okay. All right.